Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Laybuy account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to create a Laybuy account on your computer, just open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in laybuy.com like this and hit on enter first. And over here guys, you can see this is the phone version of the Laybuy. Let's accept this, and over here it says the sign up button available at the top right corner of the screen, but you can see you can sign up to the shop, or you can just sign up for if you are a merchant. If you've already created account, simply click on the login guys, and you can do anything. You can sign up to shop, or we can sign up to merchant, I'm guessing. So let's click on the sign up button available at the top right corner of the screen and go to the shop to sign up, because I'll not be able to signing up for the merchant, but the process will be similar. And guys, over here you'll be required to enter your email address like this, and after that enter your password guys like this, and click on this which says I have understood read and agreed to Levi's privacy policy and understand how this is applied, and click get started. Then your sign up procedure will have started, and you will have to provide a little information of yourself and your credentials on the Laybuy. But with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for a Laybuy account from over here. Same with the merchant. This was for the shop guys. Let's sign up for a merchant account. So let's see to sign up for a merchant account, and let's click on sign up. And you can see from the merchant all of these options are provided. And you can see guys, after you have signed up for a shop account on Nearby, you'll also be able to sign up for a merchant sign up account easily. With that being said guys, this is how you sign up for a Laybuy account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.